The Naked Belt is built with a super soft, flexible material that is going to flex and contour to your body's movements. The Naked Belt uses a low-profile, industrial-strength Velcro. This stuff is super strong, that is snag-resistant to clothing, but then also has a landing pad here that when belt is not in use, it's going to ensure that that Velcro will not grab or stick on anything. The Naked Belt slide and lock system is what makes this belt uniquely able to adjust and be cut to fit your waist size perfectly. I started on this project of building the Naked Belt so I would be more comfortable. And I hope that it'll make you more comfortable too.